Today we're going to make a super easy soup using canned tomatoes, canned beans, garlic, and pepper, and that's all that's in it. This is another recipe that can help curb the fast food habit by making dinner so easy and fast that it actually takes almost less time than going through a drive-through. I'm going to start with a large can of diced tomatoes. And 2 smaller cans of beans. These are vegetarian beans, so this recipe would be fine for a vegetarian diet. We're going to top it with cheese, so it wouldn't be suitable for a vegan diet, I guess. Probably could have used a bigger pot here. Now we're going to add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I could have added a little more, but I prefer it a little bit light. And then I'm going to add just a bit of pepper. And that's it. We're going to put it on the stove and it'll be ready in 10 minutes. Heat the soup over medium with the lid on just so it doesn't splash. And I'm just going to stir it a couple of times over the 10 minutes while it heats. That'll help it to heat more evenly. While the soup is heating, I'm just going to grate a little bit of cheddar cheese. Actually, this is marble cheese. And I have a little bit of sour cream, which will top off the soup. Just top that with a little bit of marble cheese and a dollop of sour cream. I'm going to have this with hot buttered pumpernickel toast. Thank you for watching. When I first learned about this recipe, I thought it seemed way too simple to be good, but it's actually very delicious. I think that you could make some modifications by adding things like spinach. You could also use fresh garlic if you prefer, but this really is just so good on its own and it's so fast. I think I'll be making this again.